Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. On today's episode, we will unbox and review these two Kaido House Mini GT Datsun 510 and Datsun Wagon. So this is number 6 and number 26. So this is a BRE edition, BRE Datsun. I bought these a couple of months ago at Tokyo Station, so this is the only time and chance that I make a unboxing and review of these two beautiful cars from Mini GT Kaido House. So let's open it. Let's start with this one right here. It's nice box. It says BRE here, Mini GT, and some writings. It says Kaido House, car culture for all scales. Oh, look at that. Nice metal chassis, rubber wheels, some nice details, livery. Oh, it's not focusing. Yeah. Details of the inside are nice too. It has a roll cage. Let's see the engine. Nice. Color. I like the BRE livery. Has a iconic BRE livery on it. The only thing I don't like is this one right here. Has a very long wing, rear wing, or what you call that. Yep. Okay, so let's open the wagon. Also, maybe same set of wheels. Yeah, it has the same set of wheels. But wagon is always the most sought car, sought after. So let's just appreciate these. Let's see the engine. it's almost the same car. This is just a wagon and this is a regular car, but the wheels underneath is very different. This one is like a drag tires, like thin on the front and fat on the back, and this one is just like a regular wide rear end. Nice. Yeah, so this will be displayed out of the box and it will be side by side. So let me know what you guys think, this one or this one. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to hit the like button if you like this video, and thank you for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, and see you guys on the next video. Bye.